Let's quickly run through setting the time and aligning the hands on a G Shock GA-100B. So first things first, we're going to want to make sure that our analog display is properly aligned. To do this, we're going to press and hold our forward button, which is our lower right. We'll hear the watch beep and it'll start flashing sub. So now we're controlling this small sub dial. We can move it one click at a time with the forward button. We want to make sure that it's pointing directly up at 50. Next, we're going to press mode and we'll see 000. So we want our hour and minute hands to be pointing at directly 12 o'clock. And this we can move with forward and reverse. Once that's aligned, we'll simply press adjust. And now when we set our digital time, our hands will display the correct time as well. Now for setting the digital portion of our watch. To enter time setting mode, we're going to press and hold adjust. We'll hear the watch beep, and now we're flashing our first setting, which is our time zone. We can adjust this with our forward and reverse. To enter the next setting, we're going to press mode. This is daylight savings, off or on. Our next setting will bring us to 12 or 24-hour timekeeping. Our next setting will allow us to 0 our seconds with our forward button. Our next setting will allow us to set our hour. It's currently 1 p.m. where I live. Our next setting will allow us to adjust our minute, 57, and you can do forward and reverse. I should have done reverse. Our next setting will allow us to set our year, 2025. Our next setting will allow us to set our month. Our next setting will allow us to set our day. And our final setting is LT1 or 3, which is simply our light duration, 1 or 3 seconds. Once we're done with all that, we simply press adjust, and now our analog display will set itself to the correct time. Thank you all so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope that it was clear and helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider subscribing. Thanks everyone.